Socializing 66. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering about a certain mentality which some Muslims have adopted. It is when a person tells many people about their problems. The issue with this attitude is that when one tells too many people, then sharing their problems and seeking advice becomes a means of complaining about their difficulties, which is a clear sign of their impatience. In addition, this attitude will only cause one to become confused, as the advice they receive will be varied, which will cause them to become more and more uncertain of the correct path. Whereas, consulting a few wise people will only cause one's certainty to increase. Repeating one's problems over and over again to many people also causes them to focus too much on their problem, which makes it appear bigger and more significant than it really is, even to the point that it causes them to neglect their other duties, which only leads to more impatience. Therefore, Muslims should only consult a few people in respect to their difficulties. They should select these few people according to the advice of the Holy Quran. Chapter 16 and now, verse 43.
So ask the people of the message if you do not know.
This verse reminds Muslims to consult those who possess knowledge, as consulting an ignorant person only leads to further trouble. Just like a person would be foolish to consult a car mechanic over their physical health, a Muslim should only share their problems with those who possess knowledge about it and the Islamic teachings linked to them. In addition, a Muslim should only share their problems with those who fear Allah, the Exalted. This is because they will never advise others to disobey Allah, the Exalted. Whereas, those who do not fear or obey Allah, the Exalted, might possess knowledge and experience, but they will easily advise others to disobey Allah, the Exalted, which only increases one's problems. In reality, those who fear Allah, the Exalted, possess true knowledge, and only this knowledge will guide others through their problems successfully. Chapter 35 Fatir, verse 28.
Only those fear Allah from among His servants who have knowledge.